Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Nicole Bonner and I am an online reseller. Today I went thrifting, and if you watched my first video, I don't like thrifting, I don't like shopping, but as an online reseller, I'd like to find different ways to merchandise and find new items to put on my eBay store. So stick around and I'll show you what I got and we'll see if it was worth it. Okay, so for the first item that I got at thrifting, I went to a local swap meet down the street, and it was packed. It was on a Saturday. I heard that Wednesdays are usually the better day where you get better deals, but we went on a Saturday because that's when I have the most time, and I wanted to show you guys what it was I got. I spent $112 total, and hopefully I can make my money back, or I don't know, we'll see. But the first thing I got, there was a table with, it was like a whole bunch of stuff and you had to like sift through everything. I don't like shopping, but I had to do it for the business, so I'm all about the hustle and doing everything I need to do to make some money. So first thing I got were these white coat digital thermometers. I got them for $1 each. There were a ton of them. I probably should have gotten more, and I don't know if you guys can see them. I got two. So I paid $2 for these total, and I looked at some comps, and they typically go for maybe about $9 on eBay, so not too bad there. Off to a good start. I also saw this for $1. This is the this is a a hose nozzle thing. Everybody needs one. I got it because we lost ours. And I figured I can't be the only one that loses them or they break. So I looked up the comps, and they go for roughly $8, $9, $10. So it wasn't bad there. It was $1. Can't beat that. Then I looked at this beach net. Now I have two kids that cannot use beach net, but this is the oatmeal whole grain. So my kids are big, but I remember beach net was a really good brand. I looked at the expiration date, and let me see if you guys can see it. It doesn't expire until November 2021, and it was $1. So can't beat that. These are going for like maybe $8, $7, $6, who knows. Another score I thought was a pretty good deal. Actually, my husband found this. It is a Wisecam 1080p HD Wi-Fi indoor camera. So, and let me zoom in. So I thought this was pretty cool. It is like an indoor camera, and it'll connect to your cell phone. I got this thing for $5. And I looked up some comps on eBay, and they go for roughly $25. So hopefully I'm going to try to get all this stuff listed up as soon as possible, and if I can get it sold by the time I edit the video, I'll update the video with what it sold for. So that'll be good. Also, I got this Antibacterial Wipes, 40 pieces, multifunction, Antibacterial Wipes. So these are for like lens cleaners, like your lens. They're individually wrapped. I thought it was pretty, you can always use them. Again, these are things, they're like little towelettes. Individually packed, pre-moistened. So I figured you can always use them. So I figured these things will sell pretty good. I got this for $1 as well. I probably can get, $8 out of them. Who knows. Another thing I got kind of giddy about, which is the mom in me who loves wine, I found, or should I say my husband found, a magic what is this? The Magic Decanter Essentials Wine Aerator. So for all you wine lovers, ooh, $3. Can't beat that, right? It's beautifully packed, you can tell. It hasn't been opened at all, perfect condition. The aerators are going for maybe about 16 bucks or so, 15, 16 bucks. So that was a pretty good deal. Also on that same table, I found these cute little mugs, and it's like his or her mugs. Let's see. One mug says, I thought they were funny, and I was like, hey, why not? Get this unwrapped first, right, for you guys to see. So one mug says, I like his beard, and the other mug says, I like her butt. So I thought these were super cute. I got these mugs for $2. So not each, like the case, $2 for that. So I could probably get like $15, $16 from that too. Let's see, let me put this back. Okay, and the other thing that I got here was, I got this mirror screen cords. I mean, I figured tech, that you can't go wrong with tech. This is the Lightning Digital AV cable mirror link. So it'll go for an iPhone. It works for an iPhone. It's an accessory for an iPod, iPhone, or iPad. So this is if you want to mirror your screen onto the TV. It's an HDMI cord adapter for your, for your phone. It also has the USB port too. So I thought that was pretty cool. I got 2 of these and $1 each, so $2 for these. I figure I can probably, get about eight bucks for them each, or maybe even 10. I think 10. I'd pay $10 for it, but I didn't. So I think like $10 for these each, so maybe $20 on for both of them. I may even put them together, and you know, I don't know, we'll see. I wanted these just because I liked them, and I've been looking for headphones. I got on this headphone kick. My husband does music, so he produces music, so he had some old headphones, and I had no idea about audio and headphones and stuff like that. But when he was getting new headphones, and so he was like, well, why don't you just put this up on your store and sell his used one? So I looked up the comps, and they were going for, you know, $100. And I kid you not, I put it for $102, and instantly, like, that was the fastest I've ever sold anything. It sold in, I want to say 2 minutes. It was 2 minutes of me listing it. I put it up for $102 used, took some pictures, and it sold in 2 minutes. In fact, after the first minute, I got an offer, and before I was even able to respond to that offer, I got the full price, no questions asked, paid in full for $102. So I was like, something to some headphones. So I ended up getting these. I got 2, one in red and then one in, well, actually I got 3, but a different brand, one in blue, of these Gaming Pro gaming headphones. So I got these, the GM1s. I figure it's Be Excellent is the brand. I don't know if you can see it. But I figured, you know, I didn't get a great price for it. It was like 15 bucks each. I also got the coating each, I guess. This is maybe a cheaper brand of it, but I thought they looked cool. Gaming headphones, everybody's gaming. You know, my kids are gamers, my husband's a gamer. I like to play games too. So I figured this is pretty cool. So total, all in all, I paid for these $45. I'm sure they're probably only going to sell for like 25 bucks. So I add shipping to that because I'm not going to pay for shipping. I'm not going to take a loss on it. I know that's for sure. So $25 each. I say maybe $25.99, but it'll probably go for like about 25, but I paid $15 for each of those. So The last thing I got was a wild card. It's a wild card item. I have no clue, but I thought it was cool. It was also kind of higher in price, but it caught my eye if you're into this kind of thing, but it's collectibles. So this is the Elite Force World War II. They're in its original box. However, the box is a little warped, but there's no damage to the actual figurines inside. I got a lot of these. I got this guy here. This is the World War II, and it's hard searching comps, but for these, because they're collectibles, again, the box is kind of a little damaged, but this is the other Elite Force one. This guy is the U.S. Army Ranger. And then this one is the U.S. Army 82nd Airborne, U.S. Army 82nd Airborne guy. And this is kind of what he looks like there. I don't know if you can see this guy. And it comes with that. And then, so I got the 3 figurines, and then I also saw, I mean, I just took the guy's collection. He had like a whole bunch. And so I just took them all. And this is the, I guess it's like the clothing pack, or it has like the little parachute and the hard hat, the back, I guess that's the backpack thing, little handguns and grenades and stuff. So he sold it to me. All 4 of these things, it was $15, and then he gave me this for $5, so $50 total I sold for him. So I was kind of searching comps a little bit, and I mean, one of those in pristine condition was going for like $80, so that's kind of why I got it. I don't know, I couldn't find the exact ones that I have, which could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I got to do a little bit more search. I was thinking about listing it up for about $100 for all of them. You know, plus shipping, and seeing if they'll go. I mean, the boxes aren't in the best condition. However, they're collectibles. I mean, I've seen some without it. I mean, people, this is eBay we're talking about, so people will buy anything if that's what they're looking for, if that's their thing. So I don't know. Let me know. I will total it up. Total, it looks like without the whole without these World War II figurines, because that's the wild card one, it's $200. I can probably list the rest of the stuff up and, you know, sell it all for about $200. I paid $112, so I think I came out okay. If you add these, and if I do get $100, that would make it $300. So if you guys like videos like this, I'll do some more unboxing. I don't know if these don't sell. I'm probably not going to thrift again, but I do love going to swap meets, because I like to sell at swap meets and flip things at local vendors. I like to do that, but I'll see if it sells. I'll edit the video if anything does sell while you know, I've listed it before I get a chance to post the video, and I'll update the video with if anything sells for that, and do some updates. But I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Who knows? Try thrifting. If you guys have better luck thrifting, or if you guys have different ways of thrifting, let me know, because I'm not a shopper. So, and I am a beginner. I love to hear your feedback. So please comment below. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will be posting more videos, and hit the notification bell so that you guys can be notified every time I list a new video. Have a wonderful evening. I will see you guys later.